Hi there, this is Igor Ridjanovic with hdhead.com, and in this tutorial I will show you how to use the handwriting tool inside the graphics effect to create all kinds of paint trails in Avid DS. First thing we'll do is we'll select a little area here on the timeline, go to Generate Black, and then we'll take that into the graphics by clicking on this paintbrush icon, and we'll pick the handwriting freehand stroke. Handwriting is obviously good for writing out signatures, so let's start with that. So I will create some sort of phony signature here and select this object, go to time span and select the start or end time span to make this stroke last the whole duration of the effect. Now here on the on this number 3 there's a handwriting effect. If I click on that and move the tail back to the head, the signature is disappearing. If I move it forward, it's writing on. So it's really simple. On the first keyframe, you would put a value of 0 in the tail parameter, and then advance the timeline wherever however long you want this thing to be, and go to 100. So let's see how that works. Push play, and that's our signature. It's really simple. You can also use this to create all kinds of custom wipes. Another thing you can do is, let's go again to freehand stroke. Let's pick a larger brush. Let's do some brush stroke that looks like that, and select this object, go to handwriting. I'll turn automatic animation off for now, and we'll go to time span, go from start to end, go back to handwriting. We can make an interesting animation with this stroke. I'll turn on automatic keyframing again, create a keyframe at 0 at this first position. I'm going to advance the playhead up to here, go to the maximum here, go to the maximum head as well, and see, now what's going on is we have a dot that's moving along, but let's make that dot trail. So about here I'm going to retard this head parameter. Let's see what happens. The trail goes, the tail follows, and then the tail catches up with the head. Let's play it one more time. Alright, we'll go back to the top timeline and I'll show you a couple of examples of what you can do with this. This here is a very similar thing, but in addition to the trail there's also a glow effect. Play it one more time. Or you can get creative and do all kinds of these trails. Use it as a lower third graphic. In fact, this lower third backplate is available for download. I'll give you the address of that preset later on. Play it one more time. So we have trails and glows going on here, and then we can also use that for an effect like this, where the trails draw the image by using the line art. This line art was created in Illustrator, loaded in the Avid DS graphics effect, and then handwriting tool was applied to it to create this effect of the line drawing forming and then going away. So those are little examples of what you can do with the handwriting tool. And as far as the lower third effect, you can download this from hdhead.com. As a matter of fact, the address is right there. And I'll show you really quickly how to modify it in case you want to use it for something. This is the effect that you can download. It's very simple. You feed the video background into the video and you load your title into the title. And this is a graphics effect with the title. So it's fairly simple to use.